Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to unblock someone on Scrabble Go. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video since the process is quite simple. From your app drawer, go ahead and open the Scrabble Go application and make sure that you're inside the game. After you're in the main homepage for Scrabble Go, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Now from the profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right, which will then take you to your profile settings page. If you've recently blocked someone on Scrabble Go and since you've changed your mind and you'd like to unblock them back again, then all you need to do is to tap on this block list option right next to the Facebook icon. Now, in the list, you'll be able to see all of the friends listed that you've added on your block list, or all of the people that you've blocked on Scrabble Go will be displayed on the page. Simply tap on the remove button right next to their name in order to unblock someone on Scrabble Go. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock the person and you can now go ahead and search by their name and start playing with them back again. So that's how you can easily unblock someone on Scrabble Go within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.